Hi there. Thanks for watching this tutorial on OpenRoad's agent appointment process. Becoming an appointed agent with OpenRoad is quick and easy. First, you'll need to visit the OpenRoad website and navigate to the agent homepage. From there, you'll need to find and click the new agent registration button. When you arrive at this screen, enter your email address as well as your national producer number. You'll then need to confirm your information and click Allow Access. Next, you'll need to confirm your contact information is correct. You can also update your phone number if you need to. The next step is entering your agency's information, including your agency's name, phone number, and mailing address. If your agency is already registered with OpenRoad, go ahead and select it from the drop-down. This next section is where you will upload your documents, such as your E&O declarations page and your completed W-9. If you don't have those handy, no worries. Just click Next to continue. Now it's time to sign our producer agreement. First, agree to electronic records and signatures, and then click Continue to begin the DocuSign process. You'll then enter in your agency's name and address, and then click Next to move on to the next fields. Now it's time to finish up the producer agreement. First, enter in your full name, then title, and then sign the document. Once completed with a signature, make sure to click Finish, and then Next. Please keep in mind that your registration is not complete until you click the Submit Onboarding button. When you see the confirmation screen with your application number, you've completed the registration process. Please check your email for your portal login credentials, temporary password, and instructions. Congratulations! You're now ready to start quoting with OpenRoad. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our dedicated agency success team. We're always here to help.